Yeah. Now I'm starting the app. Meanwhile, I'll show you the database. So here I logged into the Back4 app with my user, and then in the user there were records with the username Heyman test1 and test2, and then this is the task table where I had created some of the tasks during the development, and then I'll go. So the task table contains due date, is completed, user, and then the titles columns. I'll wait until the app start. So, now you can see the app. So I'm just logging with the one of the user. So these are the tasks which are added by me before. So now uh, you you can say I can delete the tasks. So I'll show first adding the tasks. So, then task, and then I'll choose the date. So this will saying task is added successfully, and then we can see the task here. So in the backend also, if we refresh the task table, we can see the temp task, and then is completed false, due date. So all these were added. So this is the user, which user has added the task, and then I'll show if we here we can also complete the task. So if I click this, it is completed. You can say task status updated successfully. So and then if we go here and then refresh, we can see is completed true, and then we can delete these tasks. Now I'll first show the edition. I'll renaming the this temp task as the task updated, and then I'm just updating. So here going into the database again and then refreshing it, so you can see the task is updated with the new name, and then I'll delete this. So task is successfully deleted, and the tile got refreshed. So and then I'm going to the database, so you can see the task updated row has been deleted, and then I'll log out. So I had showed the add task, delete task, and then the completion or uncompletion of the task. Now I'll log out, and then will show I'll log into the another user test1. So you can see there were different tasks for each user. So I added this task previously. So I'll just create a new user and then show the task. I'll log out. So to creating the new user, you can say I don't have an account and then sign up. So by clicking on this, you can create temp user, temp123@gmail.com, and then password 123456, and then login. So after this, temp1 temp, and then 123456, I can log in. So you can see there were no tasks. Here we can add the task 1, and the due date is today, and then add task. So the task is successfully added, and then I'll just log out and then show how I handled the error scenario. So let's say if the username is not correct or password is incorrect, so then it will show invalid username or password. And also while creating the account, if I say, let's say email address is not given or some of the fields is not given, it is say please fill in all the fields. If the email address is not correct, it will say email address format is invalid. So yeah, that's it for the demo.